Hi everyone, welcome back to KLIP. Today we're diving into medical chronologies. Instead of spending days or even hours piecing together records, KLIP lets you chronologize a patient's medical records. As you can see, we have our agent, medical chronology, in our library, and two main components to look out for: the ability to find a matter created within KLIP, as well as upload files that are not already in KLIP. When we hit the Upload Files button, we are able to see our File Explorer and the ability to upload any files that we wish to. If you don't wish to upload any files, you can also consult the Find a Matter button to find any matters that you've created within KLIP. When we hit the Find a Matter button, a search bar pops up, allowing us to find any matters that we've created within KLIP and provide us with any recommended files as associated with that matter. You're allowed to pick as many or as little files as you need to generate a package. KLIP can take anywhere from 15 minutes to a couple of hours to generate a package, all depending on the amount of information in the recommended files. Within our medical chronology, we have a couple of components to look out for. Everything is organized neatly through date, facility, specialists, references, as well as a short summary of the chronology. Now let's click on one of the chronologies. When you click on the chronology, you are taken to its own tab with information populated from the recommended files. Everything from diagnosis to even treatment administered, all in one single organized space. As you can see, it is so easy to work with KLIP to get your medical chronologies organized in just minutes. We cut 90% of the time it usually would take to create medical chronologies. In the next demo, we'll get into deposition summaries. I can't wait to see you there.